guys. Tons and tons of trainings and courses. If you guys are looking to, step your game up online as a marketer and be able to put your business on autopilot, you want these trainings, okay? So go ahead, click the links below this video. Go ahead and get started with the things that I've showed you. If you have any further questions, I'm that guy to help you. Text me, shoot me an email. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, please. Share these videos to whoever it may help, okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you. What's up, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and right now I want to show you the top 4 ways to make money online for free, you guys. Absolutely free. The first way is Craigslist, okay? Craigslist is a gold mine, man, when it comes to this. Now, I'm not sure what city or state you all live in, so you can go in here and, pick whatever city or state that you live in. I don't live in California, but I'm just going to use this for this video. Let's say I choose Sacramento, and then I go here in the search box and I just type in the word free. All right. Once you type that in, it'll bring up different things that people are just giving away. All right. In any city or state. All right. Free trampoline, free bed frame, free firewood, free memory kits, free magazines, a free door, good home needed, a dog. You see this kind of stuff, all this stuff that a lot of people are giving away for free. Let's see, a 3-piece sofa set, 2 stands. All right, free cabinet, bookshelves. Look at this, man. All this stuff free, dryer and water cooler. So guys, what am I getting at? All right. Mostly everybody in every city or state are just giving stuff away. And what are you going to do? Pick it up and go sell it. I don't care if you make $1 off of it, you're making profit. But what I will tell you to do is if you have a buddy or a friend, or if you yourself have a truck, go pick up this stuff. Go load it up. All right. Sell it on Facebook Marketplace, or sell it back on Craigslist, or just sell it throughout the neighborhood. And there's a lot of different Facebook groups, garage sale groups and things like that on Facebook that you could post these different pictures in, and mark the price up. Say, hey, $15, don't need it no more, or just say $15. Hey, it's all kinds of stuff, you guys. Estate sale leftover. It's just leftover things. They got items. I mean, a lot of this stuff you can sell, man, and you guys can walk away with a good $500, $600 to $1,000, man. All of this stuff, people are giving away pool tables, and you know what? The crazy thing about this is a lot of people are just, they just don't need it. It's really some really nice stuff on here. People just don't need it, okay? And they just don't want it, or they got something new and they're like, I just want to get this away. Don't have time to sell it. TV stands. I mean, guys, you can get $10 to $15 for here. You guys see the power in this. So go ahead and utilize this, and resell. Resell. All right. So that's the first way. The second way is an app called Dosh. Okay. This has been a popular app. It's been going around a lot. Okay. This app right here, you can get a lot of different, cashback rewards, for different things. And so what you want to do is, I have my link in the description below. You want to go ahead and click that, get signed up. That way, I'll get some credit for introducing you to the app. But all these places that you shop, you can get cash back. So once you sign up, it'll have you enter, a credit card or a debit card. It can't be a prepaid card. They won't allow the prepaid card. But when you start to shop at these places, go to Wendy's, the Sheraton Hotel, and use whatever card you put on file, you'll start getting 7% cash back. As you can see right here, 10% cash back on certain things, 4% cash back at Walmart. So you start basically paying yourself. Okay, each time you spend some money and do a purchase, you'll pretty much start paying your own self, okay? So that's a good thing you can do. And then also they have a referral program, and each person that you refer, for free, who actually signs up and gets started and start using their card, you get $5, and I believe that they do certain sales techniques and stuff like that where you get paid even more per referral. So that's definitely good for you guys to start making some money with things that you already do anyway. You already shop at Nike. You know, you already shop at Big Lots and Forever 21. Why not get paid to shop at those places, okay? Why not get cash back for just shopping at these places and building up this balance right here, okay? So this is Dosh. You can actually click the link below this video to get started with all of these. And let's move on to the next one here. All right, PaySpree. PaySpree is a pretty good, cool marketplace. It's an affiliate marketing site. You can earn up to 100% commissions by just promoting, you know, different products. It's kind of like a ClickBank type of thing. They have some pretty good, you know, work from home products. Okay, so you want to sign up as an affiliate. Okay, so you just go ahead and sign up for free, and then it'll bring you to a page, you know, your product marketplace, to where you can start, you know, all of these. There's different things you can promote. Once you get your username, you can go create link, put in your username, and then you can start promoting. Okay, and all of these, whenever you make a sale, you get, you know, 100% of the commission. So if you make a $25 sale, you get $25. You know, $10 sale, you get $10. $4 sale, you get $4. You didn't have to pay a dime to get started with this. Okay, and they have, look how many pages of different products that they have that you can just start promoting and selling, running Facebook ads to. And all that good stuff. If you want to know how to run Facebook ads, I do have a Facebook ads training in the description below as well. So go ahead and go through all of these, check these out, okay, you guys, and you should be able to see, you know, the kind of stuff that you can do with these. There's so much stuff here that you can promote. So I'm showing you, you know, how to make money for free. You don't have to, you know, pay millions and millions of dollars if you just want to get started with some things, okay? The last and final way to make money online for free is you can sell drop cards to different companies. I know a lot of you guys see a lot of people marketing different companies, and what you can do is go ahead and sign up, you know, as an affiliate to the realisticdropcard.com, okay, and start promoting these drop cards, okay? So basically what a drop card is it promotes your business, okay? Now, if let me see. Let's say here you wanted to put something like, you know, make money online, you know, 2018, something like that. And you want to put your website, www.makemoney. Let's see, make money fast or whatever. Okay, I'm not gonna put those things, but you get what I'm saying. All right, so these drop cards they look like real $100 bills. Okay, and then on the back side of it, you know, it'll have let's see if it'll show. They also have different kind of bills too. They have $5 bills, $100 bills, different things like that. And so you would just drop these on the ground. You would go to Best Buy, put these drop cards inside of, you know, TV boxes and things like that. So when people purchase these products from Best Buy or, you know, the movie store, wherever you feel like you want to put these and hide these, when they open that product or something, they see these and they're, you know, they're going to be curious. They're going to think it came from the store, and you guys can make money like that. Or you could just drop them and leave them. People are going to fold them up because they look like $100 bills. People automatically are going to pick them up because they're going to think they're, you know, $100 bills. They'll pick those up. You guys can make money. All right. Now, how this works is these are different prices. So if someone orders 100, it'll be $14. I believe you'll get a percentage of this. So if somebody decides they want to order 5,000 of these drop cards, you'll get a percentage of this. Okay. And this is all free money, you guys. So go ahead, you know, and play around with these, man. It's just so much stuff that you can do with these things. And I want you guys to start making money today, okay? So also, I do have a lot of different trainings. If you're looking to increase your credit score, you know, I got my credit score from the 400s to the 700s in 5 months. If you want to know how I did that, the link is in the description below. I also have a viral ranking YouTube training that's allowing me to make money on autopilot. I also have a Facebook ads training, guys. Tons and tons of trainings and courses. If you guys are looking to, you know, step your game up online as a marketer and be able to put your business on autopilot, you want these trainings, okay? So go ahead, click the links below this video. Go ahead and get started with the things that I've showed you. If you have any further questions, I'm that guy to help you. Text me, shoot me an email. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, please. Share these videos to whoever it may help, okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you